Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the door and protecting yourself. Put on safety glasses and support the door with a wedge or helper. Use a ladder at a comfortable height and choose the correct bit. A mismatched driver rounds heads. Apply penetrating oil to any stubborn screws and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes so the lubricant reaches the threads. Once soaked, position a magnetic tray at hip level and align the screwdriver perpendicular to the screw to reduce cam out as you begin turning. After the oil has soaked, tap each screw head lightly with a hammer to break surface corrosion. This loosens seized threads. You then apply steady, controlled torque. Use an impact screwdriver if available to convert hammer taps into turning force, or use a longer-handled driver for leverage. If the bit slips, pause and place a wide rubber band over the head for extra grip, or switch to a screw extractor. Make sure to keep small parts in the magnetic tray so nothing falls into the frame. Once most screws are turning, remove them systematically and have a helper lift the door free of the frame to avoid bending. Inspect each hole. If threads are damaged, repair with appropriate fillers or replace with slightly larger screws and anchors to restore holding strength. Make sure hinge alignment matches when reinstalling. If a screw remains seized, apply heat to the surrounding metal for a minute to expand it, reapply penetrating oil, then use an extractor. Remember safety. Avoid overheating painted surfaces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.